right, for this video, I am going to use example 2 from lesson 7. So I can show you how to use the graphing calculator to solve matrices. So let me hide that. If you followed my Desmos one, we went through this one and we put all the missing pieces. I'm going to do the same for this one. So if you already watched it, you could fast forward through this. If not, we're going to put placeholders for the missing variables that we need to define. So I have not this guy. I have x plus 2 plus y plus 2z equals 13. So this one is perfectly fine. There's no changes we have to make. This second one has a missing x variable. And the only way we could get rid of that x variable is if that x variable is multiplied by 0. So I'm going to put the placeholder of 0x in there. 2y plus z equals 5. And this third equation is missing z, so it's the same idea. We're going to have to put that placeholder in there. So now I have enough information to make my matrix. I'm going to go by the coefficients 1, 1, 2, bar 13, 0, 2, 1, 5, 2, negative 1, 0, 6. All right, so now I'm going to move over to my calculator. I'm going to clear this guy out so that you can see my steps. I'm going to clear my screen. Let me clear this again so you don't get that screen clear. And I'm going to move myself up over here in this corner. I will make this a little bit smaller so you can see, though we can't see the matrix. That's okay. Actually, there we go. What I'm going to do actually is I'm going to take myself away. So I will see you guys later, but I'm going to keep on the calculator. Okay, for this one, we want to get into the matrix. So I'm going to hit second math. Nope, not second math. Second x to the negative 1. I always go 1 off. And I'm going to go over. So again, that's second x negative 1. Have that here. I'm going to go over to edit. I already have a 3 by 4. I'm going to go into that one. And I know that this is a 3 by 4 matrix because, again, we have 3 variables that we have to solve. So that's the 3 here. And then our columns are always the amount of variables plus 1. So we have 4 columns. And now, even though I have a matrix in here already, I can still put in this matrix. So I'm going to go down, down, and there we go. So I have a 1, enter, 1, enter, 2, enter, 13. So I'm just going to fill in all my boxes, 2, 1, and 5, 2, negative, oh, I'm used to having the calculator. So again, if I put a -1 in here and I hit enter, it's going to give me this syntax error. I'm going to hit 2 so it goes to where the syntax error is, and it's saying that this is incorrect. And that's because this is the minus sign, this is doing the difference, and this is doing the negative. That means we're on the negative side of the line. So -1 and 0 and 6. All right, so now I have my matrix all set up. Matrix A is a 3 by 4, and all my values are inputted in. I'm going to get out of this matrix by hitting second, quit. And then I'm going to go and I'm going to calculate this matrix. And anything to do with matrix is always underneath this tab. So I'm going to hit second, x to the negative 1, and I'm going to go to math. And I believe it's 11 clicks down to the RREF. I'm going to hit enter on that RREF, and then now I'm going to go select the matrix I'm using. So it's going to be second matrix, and I'm going to select that to first matrix. Then I'm going to hit enter, and again, they give me my values. And let's go to this guy right here and talk about what these values mean. So this is your x, your y, your z, and your constant. So in this case, this is x equals 3. Y equals 0 because there's no value here. I mean, there is a value, there's 0. But that is the solution for y, and z equals 5. So if I were to look at this as a point, this is 3, 0, 5. And that is how you use the graphing calculator to do a matrix. Again, any questions, please let me know. Here's my last video. You guys got to see a snippet of it. But I hope you guys have a wonderful day.